What's up, Paradise Crew? My name is Griff from Griff and Alyssa, and as you can see, my wife is not here with me today, and that's because this topic is on mine. Can you bring your drone on a cruise? Roll intro. Now, if you're still watching this video, the chances of you owning a drone or potentially buying a drone in the future so you can fly it around the ship and have some awesome fun, get some drone footage, get some photos, you probably need to know whether or not you can bring this thing. And the short answer is it depends on the cruise line. Now, there are only two mainstream cruise lines that are gonna actually let you bring that drone on the cruise ship. And that's gonna be Carnival and it's gonna be Royal Caribbean. However, I did link a couple of articles below that'll give you your answer for Norwegian, Disney, and the other few mainstream ones that you might be sailing on. But from the looks of it, not many others allow you to do so. Now, based on my experience, I've actually brought my drone on a Norwegian Escape. I did fly it once I got to the island and did not fly it on the ship at all. However, due to the addition of frequent flyers and more people buying drones, the rules have changed. But you're probably asking, what if I have my license to fly a drone? And I would probably tell you, I have a license to drive a car, doesn't mean I can drive that car on a cruise ship, right? All joking aside, comparing a drone to a car on a ship, that's a pretty terrible comparison, I get it. But, and this is a big but, if you do have your license, your drone license to fly the drone all over the place, this generally puts you in a professional category, allowing you to open up a dialogue with the cruise line. So I would encourage you to message them, letting know your goals, your purpose of what you're trying to accomplish. Let them know that you plan on following the rules and that you don't plan on breaking any laws, and maybe they might actually work with you to do that. Now, on another note, if you're still watching, you're probably thinking, now Griff, I've seen Instagram photos of people taking shots of the cruise ship. I've seen videos all over Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. I've seen someone fly it off the ship. And I would 100% agree with you. I've seen those videos too. I've seen those photos. I've clicked like on some of those photos, but there's a few things that you should probably consider before bringing your drone and doing the same thing too. Now, it's not unheard of to commission a photographer to do these type of things for them, hire influencers to get the drone shots, get the drone photos, or commission someone for some sort of project to showcase the ship. Another thought is that they actually may have had permission to do so. They could have communicated through email, through phone call, and probably got some sort of supervision or clearance to do so, that they knew they were going to be doing that. And the last thought that you probably should consider is actually they may have just flown it without permission, which is something I do not recommend. So in closing, kind of like what I said earlier, the answer is it depends. Cruise Critic has some awesome resources to get your answer. I've dropped links below to click the mainstream line that you might be sailing on, but generally speaking, the best way to get a yes or no is to actually contact the cruise line. They will let you know. Try to be more communicative what you're trying to accomplish, what you're trying to do. You never know, you might actually get a yes. Now, the bigger question is, do you guys think drones are an invasion of privacy? I'm interested to hear your thoughts on this. Also, do you think cruise ships be a little more lenient? Or should they crack down and no drones? Let me know. I'm interested. Guys, thank you for watching this video. And as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you guys in paradise next time.